All right, let's dive into multiple time frame analysis. In multiple time frame analysis, you simply look at a pair on different time frames. So remember how in your MT4 you can switch between different time frames? So for example, here we have the 4 hour, you have the 1 hour, you have the daily even. And what that means, right, is that on the daily, for example, each of these candles represents one day. So here's a day, here's another day, here's another day, and so forth. So on the 4 hour, each candle represents 4 hours. And on the 1 hour, each candle represents 1 hour, and so forth. Let's look at the daily chart of the Euro USD. You can see here that it's clearly in a downtrend. In fact, I could even draw a trend line right here and touch these 3 points, just about like that, right? So you can see it's clearly in a downtrend. In fact, you may even think that right now it's going to be bouncing off and heading down this way in a good time to sell, right? So now let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour, you can see that it's really hard to tell which way it's going. If we zoom out, it looks more like it's kind of ranging between this point and most recently right here, right? There's some support here, support here, support here, resistance here, here, and here that it just bounced off of and it's heading down. So it might be a good time to sell, which kind of matches the daily chart. But if we go over to the 1 hour chart, look at that. The 1 hour chart clearly looks like it's starting to move up this way. So it's going up, up, up. In fact, this even looks like if I draw a trend line here going up this way, it looks like it might be bouncing off of this support trend line here, and then it's going to start heading up and would be a good time to buy. So each time frame can show something different, and that can be really confusing for a lot of traders. So the question is, what are you supposed to do? Well, that's what we're going to go over in this module. First, we're going to help you decide on which time frame you should focus on, because each trader is different and is going to have a specific time frame that better matches his or her strategy and personality. Then we're going to show you how to look at multiple time frames of the same currency pair to help you make better trading decisions.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.